Hey guys, I'm Tiny. I'm the contributor of the Crad Gacha plugin. Today I'm going to talk about how to set up the Crad Gacha and how to use it. So first, let's start with the setting up the plugin. So open your plugin folders and put the Crad Gacha and packet event file into the plugin folder, and then you have to restart the server, and there will be a generated config folder for the Crad Gacha plugin. So as you can see here, I have already put the Crad Gacha and packet event, and the Crad Gacha folder have already generated. And if you need to use the currency function, you need to download and install the Vault plugin too. So for me, I've already installed the Vault plugin, and make sure that there is a custom item provider installed in your server. It is not required, but it will be easier to set up the pack. And also, make sure that there is a custom item provider installed in your server. It is not required, but it will be easier to set up the pack. For me, I use item Aster. So if you guys use other plugin like Orison or Nixo, it is usable with this plugin too. So after you restart the server, you have to type /gacha setup and the plugin will do the rest. So for me, I haven't do it yet, so let's do it. Gacha setup here, and there might be some error from item setter app, but it is not from the Crad Gacha plugin, so don't be panic and you can ignore it. After that, I have to do /gacha doctor to check if the plugin is installed successfully or not. If it's showing a correct mark, then that means the plugin is successfully installed. So let's try Gacha doctor. As you can see here, it is showing all green, but someone or some people might found that the glyph is red and the UI is red. So the first thing that you can do is to go to the Crad Gacha here and to the pack and copy your plugin content. For item master is content, but for other plugin is many more like glyph, item pack, something like it. You have to copy them and manually paste in your plugin here, just like this, and you will see for me there's already have this file. I will just replace. So after you finish, you have to go to the game and join the server, and let's see if the plugin is working or not. Okay, after I join the server, the first thing I have to do is use the /gacha command. This command will show you the gacha menu and you can move the cursor around. So let's try it. Gacha here, as you can see, you can select the pack on the left panel and you can open the gacha by clicking on the open 1 button, or you can open more box by click on the open 10 here. So let's try open 1 first. And I got this item, which is, I don't know how rare it is, but yeah, there's a setting for it. So oh, okay, it's not that good, so let's try 10. Oh, that's a legendary one. Let's go. So this is what the plugin does. So it shows you the box, the gacha's box, and you can open it. And it shows the money on top, and you can select the pack here. And this is how this plugin works. If the default setting is working. So next thing you can do is change all the reward item. To do so, you have to go to the Crad Gacha folders and you see all the configs file. So here's the config files. There's a config, creates, cursor, language, and themes. So here you can setting how your gacha menu works. For example, if you open cursor.yml, you see that you can edit how fast the cursor moves here. So let's try it. Cursor.yml here. So the sensitivity is here. So I'll like something like 0.1 for all of them here. Okay, so use gacha reload and gacha again to see if there's any change. Yeah, the mouse is much slower and it is just right. Another example is that if you want to add a new box, you can make one inside create.yml file as you can see, there are already some example packs here. If you want to use them, you can change the enable from false to true or copy one of them and edit it as you like. So for me right now, I will just change the false to true here and remove some of the rewards here. And as you can see, the cost is type item. That is mean the player need 1 diamond to open this pack. So let's try it out. I'll just reload first and then open the gacha. And as you can see, the second pack is appear here. So if I select the pack and open, it will say that I have not enough item. So I need at least 1 diamond, but I will give myself 6 effort. So try again. Select the pack and open one. And as you can see, I got a bow. If I try again, I still got a bow. And if I try even further for 10 pack, maybe I still got a bow because I put only the bow for the rewards. So I think if you want to do like add any item more, you can just copy from above or watch these comments here. There are other settings around here that you can copy and see how this plugin can do or what this plugin can do. So if there is any UI that you want to move or edit, you can go to the theme file and edit it. So this is the theme file. Here you can edit the placement of each object. To edit it, you have to change the X and Y number of each element. The more you try, the more perfect you will get. Because if you're going to use your custom resource pack, there will definitely be some difference of the element placement. And yeah, for me right now, I think my problem is that the money is overlapping with the coin. So I'll just move this number around here. So let's try here the balance and money and move the X because it's the horizontal way to something like 9 maybe 0.9 and reload gacha again. And yeah, that's good. Yeah, so I like this. If you don't like, you can just move more, move the X, move the Y as you like. So I think that's all for now because the plugin still in an early access stage and there are so many bugs right now that we didn't found. So if you found any bugs or issue or have any suggestion, you can tell us in Discord and we'll help you out. Thank you and see you next time.